Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's going to be a really short video. I'm just going to show you how to delete your Spotify account. It's different from the other ones. I'm going to make a series of these how-to videos for PC super users, web super users, and show you stuff. I had a little trouble with this recently, so I think many people are confused on how to delete the Spotify account, so I'm just going to show you right now. So make sure to go to spotify.com on your browser. They make it really hard for you to find the place on where you can delete the account. So scroll down, go to the About section, and then in the About section, go to, I think, Contact Us. Okay, so make sure to be at the Contact Spotify support. Now I am going to Account, and I want to close my account right here. As you can see, you need to jump through hoops to find this stuff. And I'm just going to close the account. Okay, and there are some articles here. I'm just going to close the account. Okay, continue. Yes, I understand. Make sure that you know this stuff so you will lose everything. Saved music, podcasts, and playlists. Okay, and now you need to check the email, and then in your email there should be a link which you should click, and I am not showing that part. I don't want to show my email, and I think that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm going to make a lot of these short videos, so subscribe, and also more programming tutorials to come. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.